welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix something wrong claiming gift in Discord. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Discord, click on the register option. And from here, just provide all the information and follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now the next step is I need you to log into your YouTube account as well. And if you haven't already, just click on the create account option, follow the on-screen instructions, and you're all set. Now, once you are here, I need you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on user settings. And from here, just hover to the gift inventory. And now you should be able to see something like a YouTube Premium offerings here. Okay. And then click on it. And if you encounter the fix something wrong issue on claiming your YouTube Premium offerings for 3 months, all you have to do is try on another browser, because right now I'm using Chrome. Let's try to log in using the Brave. Now I'm here on my another browser, and all I have to do is click on open Discord. And again, it's the same process. Click on the user settings in the lower left corner. And from here, try to hover to the gift inventory to see if you have already or can see the YouTube Premium offerings here. But if it's still not appearing despite all of that, you might need to go to a Discord help center. And from here, if you can have or able to talk to a live agent or a representative, tell them you're having problems fixing the something wrong claiming gift for your Discord plus YouTube Premium offerings. All right, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.